Hey everybody, and welcome you all to my channel again. Today I've brought a very delicious and tasty recipe for you guys. Today we're going to make traditional egg gravy. So without any further delay, let's move towards our ingredients. So I've taken boiled eggs. Everybody know how to boil them. This is the main ingredient of our recipe. Now I'm gonna take a pan, place 2 cups of oil in it and put it for preheat. It is needed to preheat it before placing eggs into it. So I'm gonna take a wooden spoon and gonna stir it inside it. With time you'll see some bubbles inside the oil. Stirring is needed so that the eggs are fried from each side properly. After a few minutes, the egg will start changing its color. It'll turn into golden from the outer side, and that's the time to take the egg out of the pan. We'll take the eggs with the help of a strainer so whatever the excessive oil on the egg stays in the pan. In the same oil, we're going to fry some onions. I've taken 4 medium-sized onions and now it's time to fry them. You're gonna take a spoon, a wooden spoon, the same spoon we were using for eggs, and gonna mix or stir inside the onion so that all the onions are fried properly. With the passage of time, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon grinded garlic. You can also take garlic paste as well, that's available on any supermarket. Mix it well, and now it's time to add 1 cup of tomato puree. Just take some tomatoes and grind them up. That's all we need for a puree. Now with the help of a spoon, mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to add some spices. I have taken salt, 1 teaspoon, you can add according to your taste. With that I've taken red chili powder, 1 teaspoon as well. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. And turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon as well. With the help of a spoon, mix all these spices into our mixture and fry it well. It's time to place a lid on our pan and we'll wait 3 to 5 minutes for it to cook. Within this time, just go and hit the subscribe button and do remember to click the bell icon so you're updated with my new recipes. Now it's been 4 to 5 minutes. I've taken the lid off and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon grinded ginger into it. Mix with the help of a spoon. I have mentioned before that you can also take ginger paste that's available on any supermarket into a jar form. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of yogurt. I have mixed it well with the help of a whisk and I'm adding it into my gravy. Wait for it to cook well. Within that period of time, stir a spoon inside it so that the mixture does not stick on the surface of the pan. Now I'm gonna add 3 chilies. You can also cut them off and grind them as well. I'm adding it as it is. In each and every recipe, mixing is quite important. Once you're gonna see that the oil is separated from the gravy, it's time to add the eggs into it. Place the eggs carefully so that your hands does not get burned, or even take a spoon to put the eggs into it. Placing eggs with the help of a spoon would rather be much more safer. With the help of a wooden spoon, stir again inside the gravy so that the eggs get heated quite well. Now I'm gonna add some garam masala into it. I'm adding half tablespoon of garam masala powder. That would be rather enough. Let's give a different and tastier flavor to your recipe. Just stir it well and wait for 5 minutes for it to cook. Once it's cooked, it's ready to place into a dish. Stir well so that it does not stick on the surface, because once the gravy starts sticking with the pan, it will give a burning taste. Once it gets burned, it changes the flavor and the aroma of the dish, giving it a burning flavor. That tastes weird. Now you can see it's completely done and it's ready to present in front of the guest. Turn off the stove and place it into a presentable dish or a bowl. If you don't like eating egg, you're gonna eat eggs with this recipe because it makes your egg more tastier and it gives a very good flavor to your egg. I'll get all the dish into a bowl and I'm gonna season it with coriander leaves. If you really enjoy this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Do remember to share it with your friends and your family and try this recipe at home. And let me know in the comment section below that whether you like it or not. And remember to subscribe my channel as well. Have a nice day.